Peptides are powerful and often misunderstood.
And we're here to change that, one conversation at a time.
I'm Dr. Kylie Burton.
And I'm Jessica Bricky.
This is PepTalk, Peptides Unpacked. Science made simple, results made real. Now, I know all of you like free stuff, especially when this free stuff is so gold that it's not going to be free for very long. It will be paid. So our free stuff is available to you until the end of this month, February 28th, 2026. After that, it will no longer be available for free. Here's how you get it. Wherever you're listening to this, you'll need to log in and review. Review this podcast, leave us a 5-star review, tell us a few sentences or two about what you've loved and enjoyed and learned, and then subscribe to it. Take a screenshot of that. If you're on Instagram, go message Jess. You'll have the direct link in the show notes. If you're on Facebook, come message me. Again, the direct link will be in the show notes. Share that screenshot with us and let's have a little chit chat on how we can help you achieve your goals, whether they be to utilize peptides for your own health or to incorporate them in a business and hopefully use them as well. I know when I first started this, I was like, no, I'm just going to do the business side. Then I'm like, no, these things are so cool. I'm taking them. I need my own stories. So right now I'm using BPC 157, the capsules, because I'm a wuss with the injections. I'm sure they're fine. I just have to have enough guts to do it. Um,
The
but that
first
said,
time you
like,
do it, you're going to be like, I can't believe this was even a thing for me. I mean,
right?
that's my experience. That's everybody that has that little bit of fear. And then you do it the first time, you're like, I didn't even feel that. Why was I so worried about it?
Yeah. I have a knee injury that I'm curious to see what will happen over the next couple months because I can't run past 20 minutes. I ran Ragnar, 14 years ago, literally 14 years ago. And then ever since then, my knee just hasn't been the same, but it's only affected when I'm jogging or running. I can hike, I can bike, I can do anything. It's just that one instance. So maybe I'll start running an hour long in the summer times after my BPC 157 has made the injury heal, whatever the injury is. So, anyways, um,
TBD.
the let's see the free guides.
Yep.
Jess, tell us about yours.
Yeah, so mine is a peptide starter guide. This is your GLP GIP starter guide that's about microdosing and standard dosing, and it's basics for real life application. So a lot of people out there have probably heard about these things. They've heard a lot of negatives. This goes far beyond weight loss, and this guide is going to introduce you to what peptides really are. And you can get that from our podcast as well. But this guy is going to be in black and white if you're a reader and you like to read this. So you're going to find out what they are, what kind of support actually matters, the difference between microdosing and standard dosing, why foundations amplify your results, and also help you prevent plateaus if you've been on them and you don't know why you've plateaued, how to nourish your body while you're using GLP and GIP therapy, movement that's going to support your body, how to protect your muscles, metabolism, and your energy. A lot of people hear about muscle wasting, and quite the opposite can be true if you are amplifying those foundations. So I show you how to do that in this guide. What to expect, some common roadblocks that people may experience, and some troubleshooting. All of that's in this guide. And then if all of that is of interest and you haven't started your journey, there's next steps in there at the end of the guide, what to do next.
And then Jess as well, if they're on GIP or GLPs and they want to shift over to us using
Mhm.
our telemedicine company, you're certainly welcome to do that.
Yep.
Especially
I
if you're
just had
wanting
somebody
some
do it 2 days
assistance.
ago. She just moved her
Yeah,
prescription over. Yep.
perfect. So again, that's the peptide starter kit. The one I have for you is not the mini guide. You can grab that already, and that will always be free. But this is the complete blood work and peptides guide, which again, this is why they're only free for a limited time. This blood work and peptides guide, the complete guide, will be $88 starting March 1st. So if you want to grab this and be able to identify based upon your blood work what peptides are right for you, we need to see a review and we need to see a subscribe. Screenshot that. If you're on Instagram, message it to Jess. If you're on Facebook, message it to me. Your links to do so are in the show notes, and we will get you these guides. Again, that's going to end February 28th, 2026. So, a little planning has happened with us. We have loved doing this, and we're going to just keep dropping episodes randomly. So be sure you subscribe and tell yourself to ding the bell when we drop an episode because you never know what gold is going to come out of our mouth or what health result we're going to listen to with the stories. Or if you see a bonus episode, that bonus episode is going to be about the business side of incorporating these peptides. I don't care if you're a health professional, I don't care if you're a mom or a dad. We've seen in the last, 5 years, COVID's knocked out many, many incomes. We've had government shutdowns. We now have had AI take down many income streams and eliminate a lot of other potential income streams for, especially a single mom or stay-at-home moms. So if you're looking at adding an income stream to your family and you would be interested in seeing what this peptide space looks like, go to drkylieburton.com. If you are interested in incorporating peptides into your health routine, you can again get started at drkylieburton.com. And Jess, where can they find you?
You can find me on Instagram. That is Jess B as in boy, Jess B _ LMT _NC. You can also grab me at my website if you'd like, b2b with jess.com/peptides.
All right, there you have it. Pep Talk, Peptides Unpacked. Be sure to review and subscribe. Take the screenshot, message us directly so we can get you that free stuff. And then, like I said, we're going to be dropping episodes randomly because we're just having too much fun doing it. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya.